morning, dear student. Today we are going to complete exercise 4.1 that we have already started related to cube and cube root. And the question we have done कि how cube root we find out and how we find out the cube. Now question number 14 is there कि what changes in the cube of a number if it is multiplied by 3, 5, 7. If a number is multiplied by any number, what changes in the cube root occur? Okay, they have given कि what happen if we multiply a number by 3. This is question number 14. What happen if we multiply a number with 3 and what changes in the cube root? So first I will let number is equal to x. I assume number as x. So when I multiply it by 3, it becomes 3x. Okay, they said na multiply by 3. Now cube of 3x is equal to 3x power 3. It means 3x into 3x into 3x. It's 27x power 3. The cube root will be 27x power 3. So what changes occur in this? The result is 27 times cube of a number. Because number is here and what changes are there कि number से cube हो गया है और ये 27 से multiply हो गया. So we will write 27 times cube of a number. Okay. Similarly, they said कि what happen if we multiply by 5, multiply by 7, we will follow the same. We assume the number x, then we multiply by 5, we find the cube. Okay, and then you can find out what changes will be there. Okay, now question number 15 is, in question number 15 they asked, find the volume of a cube, one face of which has area. One face का area दिया हुआ है, what is the shape of a cube? This is the shape of a cube. ओके, ये क्यूब की शेप है. उन्होंने बोला है कि एरिया ऑफ वन फेस, इट मीन्स बेस हो सकता है, फ्रंट साइड हो सकती है, उसका एरिया बोला है 64 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. सो वी विल राइट एरिया ऑफ वन फेस इज इक्वल टू 64 मीटर स्क्वायर. वी नो दैट कि एरिया जो होता है क्यूब का वो फॉर्मूला क्या होता है एल स्क्वायर. इट मीन्स साइड इनटू साइड. सो एरिया क्या होना चाहिए एल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 64. They have given area is equal to 64, but formula of area is L square, means side square 64. So L square. This is the square of 8. It means if I will write 8 into 8, it will come 64. Next is L square is equal to 8 square. Square cancel with square. So this implies x is equal to 8 meter. X है जो वो 8 मीटर आ गया. इट मीन्स साइड है जो उसकी 8 मीटर होगी. तो वॉल्यूम इज इक्वल टू एल क्यूब. इट मीन्स एल इंटू एल. इट मीन्स 8 into 8 into 8. If we multiply, we got answer 512 meter cube. Okay, understand this question. They have given the area of one face. We know that area of one face will be L square, side into side, because it becomes a square. One face will be a square. Okay, so area will be L square. We found on the side and then volume of that cube. Okay. Now question number 16 is this one, same as this one. You can solve it easily. I am solving 17th question. Very important. Evaluate. They said evaluate 5 power 2, 12 power 2, power 1 by 2, and then cube. Okay, we have to solve this. They have given 5 power 2, 12 power 2, whole power 1 by 2, then bracket power 3. We will solve from inside. Okay, first bracket is this one bracket, second bracket is this curly bracket. Okay, we will solve from first bracket, this bracket. Now 5 square means 5 into 5 plus 12 square means 12 into 12. Bracket power 1 by 2 and then curly bracket it's 3. 5 into 5 it becomes 25. 12 into 12 it becomes 144. 4, पावर कितनी है 1/2, देन कर्ली ब्रैकेट पावर 3. Now 25 plus 144, it becomes 169 power 1/2 and then power 3. Then 169, can we say that it is the square of 13? 169 is square of 13. So I will write this is square of 13. Upper power 1/2, then 3. Then 2 cancel with 2. What is the answer? 13 power 1 power 3. When 1 multiplied by 3, then 13 power 3. It means what will be the answer? Answer will be 13 into 13 into 13. You will multiply and you will get your answer. Okay. Same second part you will solve by yourself. If you have further any problem, you can talk to me. Okay. Friends, 18th question is, which is unit digit of cube of a number? They have given some number 3, 31, 109, 388. They asked कि जब हम इसका क्यूब करेंगे तो जो आंसर आएगा उसका यूनिट डिजिट क्या होगा. यूनिट डिजिट मीन्स लास्ट डिजिट क्या होगा. तो हमें क्यूब करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. फर्स्ट वी विल राइट फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन 31. यूनिट डिजिट क्या है इसका? व्हाट विल बी द लास्ट डिजिट? इट्स 1. यूनिट डिजिट इज 1. सो जब हम क्यूब करेंगे तो आंसर में भी इसका ही क्यूब आएगा. सो क्यूब ऑफ यूनिट डिजिट, आई एम राइटिंग यूडी. यूनिट डिजिट इज 1 because 1 into 1 into 1 will become 1 only. Okay, only from last digit we can tell what will be the answer's unit digit. Okay, if there is 109, then unit digit is 9. If we multiply 9 into 9 into 9, 9 into 9 into 9, it will become 729. So last digit will be 9. No need to cube of 109. If they ask for unit digit, we will solve only unit digit. Okay, here is 388. So 8 into 8 into 8, it will become 512. Last digit will be 2. Okay, column method I have already told you. In questions they have said that find the cube by the method of column. 72. Find the cube of 72. Okay, column method I already told you. Next again I am explaining column 1, column 2, column 3 and column 4. 4 columns I have. Okay, what is inside the column? First column is A cube, second is 3A square B, third is 3AB square, fourth is B cube. Okay, now what is AB? From statement is 72. First digit is A, second is B. Okay, now A cube, it means 7 का cube. 3 A square, it means 7 जो है 2 times है, B 1 time. 3 A 1 time and B 2 time है written. B is 2, then cube of 2 is this one. Cube of 2 is 8. Then next is we are going to solve 7 2s are 14, 14 6s are 84. Okay, next here is 7 2s are 14, 3 7s are 21. 21 into 14, 294. Okay, next is 7 का cube 343. Now we will keep the last digit as same as square method we have solved column method in square. के last digit है we will keep as it is. I have written 8 as it is. Next number when 0 is added to it, it will become 84. We will keep the same digit 4. I am writing here. 8 is added to next number. When I have added it, 8 4 12. It becomes 302. Last digit I will keep here and 30 I will add here. 373. What is the answer? 373,248. This is the column method. Last digit we will keep as it is. Next number we add to the other number and my answer is this one. Okay. If you have any problem you can discuss with me. Thank you and have a nice day and practice well.